A playground buzzed with energy. Laughter soared like kites. Among the bright colors, a pair of untied, shimmering sneakers rested beneath the slide. Curious eyes gleamed. What secrets lay within those magical shoes? A whisper of adventure tickled a daring heart. She slipped them on, feeling a jolt of energy. With a quick flick, she was off, sailing faster than sunshine on a summer day. A swift shadow danced by, gasps erupted, words tumbled in a whirlwind. How? They wondered, eyes aglow with excitement. A game of tag began, wild and thrilling. But joy turned to disarray, giggles faded under the clamor of scattered feet. A steadfast friend tried to gather the scattered. "Let's work together," he shouted, but his words got lost in the whirlwind of excitement. Suddenly, the thrill faded. Where was the joy of running together? Something precious slipped away, lost in the rush. With a gentle smile, she pulled off the shoes. "Let's find our own pace," she said, inviting them to settle their racing hearts. Together they ran, slower now, embracing the rhythm of friendship. Each step resonated with laughter and joy. Glimpses of a secret treasure danced before them. A map lay unsealed, sparking curiosity for a hidden picnic spot. The journey led them to a magical place, where sandwich smiles awaited. They feasted on joy, friendship, and sunlight. A day woven in laughter and magic. They savored the moment, knowing the beauty of shared experiences outshone any magical speed.